It's going to be 4 parts this, sorry. Suspend the boat like that. So that will do that, and then that will do that. And look, hey, ain't that bloody cute? Fiona, sometimes. Look. A little boat, a little shack. And then I can rope this here with string, which I will come back and do tomorrow. I need to get a base for this fitted. Well, find a base for it. I might use a big chunk of this actually and make a base, glue it all together, and then I can come off. I can paint it. But yeah, I like that. We need some oars, rowing oars. So I can make, I'm going to have to make those now, aren't I? Oh, bloody hell. Right, hang on. I'm just going to cut this a little bit because I'm not going to need that much. Just to get it out of the way. Yeah. And if we've got time, now I've just switched. If it goes off, I'll have to come back and do a 5th video. But I'm going to do some oars for it. So let's just line that up properly. Okay, so we've just got to, where's my pencil? I've lost my pencil again. There we are, let's have a look. So we're going to round the oars. That's it, that's all I'm going to do. I'm just going to cut one and then I'll draw around it. I can shorten them, I can do whatever needs to be done. Or whatever I need to do. Well, not very straight, but hey, we're going to taper them in a little bit. Yeah, like that. I just need to do the same for this one. All from scraps of chipboard, and I will have all of those painted and whatnot. I like that. Thanks for watching, take care. Oh, and throw it all over, Fiona, why don't you? Where's me oar? There we go. I like that. When it's painted, I think it's going to look fab. And we'll get some rope on here. That's it. Thanks for watching, take care. Speak to you all soon. Bye bye for now.